All right, next one, installing the servo. We're not going to hook the servo up, but there should be a servo here and a little bag with it. I'm going to take this out so you can see it a little bit better. Open up the servo bag. Each of you should have a servo. Don't lose this part, we'll need this later. Servo here. We will need to undo the wires here, if possible. Unfurl them. And then the servo is going to go in this slot right here. I'm going to put in both the yellow wire and the 3 wires through this slot, or through this hole right here. Put them both through. Hard to do here, holding it with one and doing the other. So I fish those through and then pull them out. So they run through like that. Pull them the rest of the way. So then this side here, the servo has the wires coming out of here. It's going to go down into that slot and then just press down in place. So the servo should be sitting in there like that. Next step, this bag here, do not lose these 2 screws. We will not need them right now, but I do want to point out what's going on here. I'm going to take out, this is called the servo horn, right here. Close this bag up and save it. We'll need those screws later on. We'll need them now, later on being a week or 2. So the servo horn here has these little splines, and that aligns with these guys. There's just, goes down on here, and then press it down in place. That's it. You can put this screw on here, but I would recommend not doing it because you're going to want to take this off eventually, and having to take this screw out each time is going to be a pain. So save those, keep them in the bag, but don't put them on for now.